In this short video, I'll show you how to use batch split with HTTP requests using N8n. For this one, I have my data right here at the ready. It's on JSON format, so it could differ on your end, but that's fine. So let's go ahead and press the plus sign right next to it on your node, and let's type in HTTP request. There we go. Now for the method, make sure you change that to post. Now for the URL, we're going to use a test site known as webhook.site. So go ahead and go to your web browser and type this in. Now we'll copy a test URL like this one. Nice. And let's go back to N8n and paste it in the URL. Now for the authentication, it's up to you, but for me, I'll leave it at none. And we'll click on the send body parameters right here. Let's click that one. It will be on JSON, but that's fine. The specify body, let's click that and using JSON instead. So let's type in the code, if you will. So type in these two symbols, space, capital JSON, dot, stringify, parenthesis, a dollar sign, JSON again, but all lowercase, this symbol right here, quotation mark, and batch. And another quotation mark. It basically gonna look like this. So once that's done, you can go ahead and just click off, and you can go ahead and test it basically. Let's test it if it works. There you go. Now in order for us to see the results, you can go ahead and open the HTTP file, and it will say this. Since we're using a test URL, it's gonna say this. But for us to see the actual result, go to the webhook.site, and this is the raw content basically as a batch split. So yeah, now you know how to use the batch split with HTTP requests using N8n. You can watch this playlist if you ever get stuck with this problem.